Kamara to Koraka is an amazing stone bridge created by nature, translated from Greek as Srow Arch or Stone Arch. The arch was formed after a complete collapse of the cave ceiling several thousand years ago. Its peculiarity lies in the almost symmetrical sides of the vault, which is a rarity for nature. There is a belief that promises a happy life for a couple of lovers who dared to cross the bridge holding hands. Therefore, the arch is often called the Love Bridge, which is actually located in a different place. See location links in the description. There is also a legend that the bridge will collapse under the biggest sinner who walks on it, because of what the arch is also called the Bridge of Sinners. Now Kamara to Koraka is under the threat of destruction, so it is fenced off, and passage through it is prohibited. The arch is included in the list of the 10 most beautiful natural bridges that may soon disappear from the face of the earth.